When the beast can no longer be tamed, it must enter the fire. Although 4,000 horsepower beat wildly in its chest, its fate is sealed. Its heart is then set ablaze and relentlessly melted and transformed into a unique alloy of heart and soul, aluminum and the arcane power of a great heritage. This is the quintessence, the DNA of all that once was. And so it lives on and rises like a phoenix and exists in a new form of unimagined strength. The Flex Limited Edition, Red Beast inside, born to proform.